Alright, Splawn selling the stage day today. Today we're working on a SL-250 by Stage Line. Oh, actually it's a 260, as you can see right there. 260. This is our distro and mixing and lighting area and power. Got a power rack right here. Lighting, power rack, mixing on top, distro, and some more power. And we're running on a generator, which is parked way back there. Okay. Small PA, we're running two tops with 212s each in them and a horn. 18-inch subs, got 3 of them ported. Got 2 more right here in the middle, 18-inch subs ported. And we got 3 18-inch subs ported and 2 more tops with 212s each and horns. Alright, headed up the ramp on stage. Running Splawn built floor wedges, and they have a Scott, what size speakers do these wedges? 12s? Got 15s in them with horns. Running 3 of them for the front. Then we got one for the drum sub, which is an 18-inch sub and 15 ported.
Pretty much almost unwearable. Like I could wear it.
W side fills, one there, stage right, and one right there on stage left. Lighting, got a spot, got washes.
Yep. Yeah, and that's what he was even saying. He said just let him know.
It's a blinder, and then we got a spot right there. Washes, we got a center bar, and another wash, another spot, another wash, and another blinder. Today's show is going to be for a Red Hot Chili Peppers tribute band. I need to be using Splawn heads and then cabs. I don't know what this stuff is, but
right, yeah, and that should be good because
this is the show for today. We're here at Caramont Health Park baseball field. Got the big giant jumbotron back there. And you all know what that is. Turn them up.